Namaskar. Welcome to my channel World of Health. Today I am traveling and I am in a new state, Delaware. And I am in the city of Dover and it is touching the Atlantic Ocean. So I am ready to give you something extremely special because the points, the things I take up are totally infinitely unique. Today my topic is how to avoid confusion. Confusion, 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 confusion. Because all over the world it is a trend and the people, the topmost leaders, the topmost saints, topmost all those people, most of the time they don't know any answer. They confuse the word. Confuse. And confuse is the biggest sickness, biggest problem of this current world, this century. People confuse, people overload the people with many informations, wrong informations, and confuse the people. They are using confusion as a big tool, and it is the biggest poison at this point of time. So today I am trying to talk to finish this confusion. Don't get confused. Even the name is so big. Any name. Millions and billions are making follow-up. Don't get confused even by those people. They want to be trillionaire. They want to be doing this. They come in a different shape, different design, different dresses. Acquire the platforms and talk this. And then you see at their back, my goodness, they have big ashrams, they have big aeroplanes, and they have biggest wealth. No, why they did so? To confuse the people. One topmost guy, world level name, tells you there is no God. And at the same time, the same level of person is telling you there is God. Do this, do this, do this. My goodness. No, what's the solution? We will have to see everything scientifically. If we are not in a position to know something, we can consult some wise person in a family, in a community, in a place. What is that? Don't get confused. Believe me, confusion is the biggest poison, biggest sickness of this time in this life. So, anything comes in front of us, we should try to know it scientifically. Know the ocean, the heat comes, it makes vapors, it goes to the clouds, it rains. Scientific. Now you burn a fire, you put some butter or desi ghee in that makes vapors. And that vapors have all the ingredients of the oil or the butter, and that can enrich us. If we put dry fruits in that, all that takes along with that and give us multi-purpose benefit to the many more people than if it would have been eaten by one person. So आज हम confusion की बात कर रहे हैं in Hindi. Confusion, to misguide or confuse, I don't know what word should I use for Hindi. गुमराह करना. गुमराह करने के ऊपर हम आज बात कर रहे हैं कि गुमराह नहीं होना, चाहे कोई भी लेवल, किसी भी लेवल का लीडर हो, किसी भी लेवल का आदमी हो, we need not to be गुमराह, confuse नहीं होना है. Confusion is a biggest tool nowadays to get money, to get wealth and all that. Then they get lost and we we are left with confusion. And there is a saying also that if you don't know any answer, confuse the people. All these leaders of the world, all these saints, all these people on the back, they have trillions of dollars, they are doing the same thing. So हमें गुमराह नहीं होना. हमें अगर नहीं पता लगता, if we don't know, we can, हम किसी अपने अकल वाले इंसान को या किसी को पूछ सकते हैं, या हम किसी इंटरनेट पे या किसी चीज़ पे देख सकते हैं कि ये जो चीज़ कह रहा है उसमें क्या साइंटिफिक इफेक्ट्स हैं. देखिए, कोई एक आदमी कहता है कि भगवान है और कैश किए जा रहा है ट्रिलियन, दूसरा कहता है भगवान नहीं है, कैश किए जा रहा है. दिस इज दैट, एंड देन आई डोंट वांट टू नेम, बिकॉज when the trillions of people follow them, then I can be looked bad, because a same person who did all this and he was having big ashrams in America में उसके बड़े आश्रम थे ये, then they feel he was running in this country saving his life. Why to confuse people? Why? I can mislead myself, I can confuse myself, but not the trillions of the people waste their lives and all. My goodness. So we will have to stay away from the confusion. गुमराह होने से बचना है by any means. By trying this way, that way, we will have to get nice thing. And again, I am going to give one point about the health as I give you. Very simple, very common. So what we will have to do, I will go like this. For half minute or 1 minute like this. Come back. 1 minute or half minute like this. Stretch properly. Come back. One minute or half minute like this. So when we do this, we can hold our breath. That will be great. When we do this, don't breathe. That will be great. So this is one thing. If we do 1.5 or 2 minutes, our thorax, this system will be getting abundance of oxygen, and we can be blessed. So I am in some other state, and I will try to make more and more videos on special things, on ocean, on whatever I find new here. Okay, namaskar, and have a good one. I will be coming again in front of you very shortly.